Every day, ARK Invest send us email about their daily activities whereby they share what they have bought or what they have sold. And most of us always use this email as a great opportunity to jump on board a stock or to dump a stock. So I am not a financial advisor, okay? So everything I share with you guys in this video is just my own opinion. So please don't sue me, bro. And of course, ARK Invest, if you are watching this, I am not negative your fund. I am just trying to point out what I have been able or what anybody can discover or find on the internet. Okay, so there are two stocks that are presently going under fire. Okay, two stocks that are burning, they are selling off heavily, and these two stocks are Ginkgo, Bioworks, and Berkeley Light. Okay, these two stocks, you can see right here that Ginkgo, for example, ARK Invest owns about 2.1% of this company. I hope you guys can see this. And Berkeley Light, ARK Invest owns about 12.64% of this company. And if you guys want to see how much it cost them, you can see that for Ginkgo Bioworks, it cost them about $325 million US, and for Berkeley Light, about $165 million US. But the problem is these two companies right now, this one is being said, according to a short seller, that, you know, the ticker is DNA. I mean, how can a company be with a ticker DNA and, you know, more or less said to be a fake company? Okay, we have a lot of news out there. I'm going to be sharing that with you guys as well in this video, you know, negative about this company, also Berkeley Light. So you guys just have to be careful. That is the message of this video. Whenever you see an email from ARK Invest, you know, that they bought something, they sold something, always do your own due diligence. Just like on this channel, everything I talk about also doesn't warrant you to invest or sell your stocks. It means you should also do your own due diligence, because everything on this channel is more or less my own opinion, and of course I am not a professional. So let's continue. So this is the first stock right here, Ginkgo Bioworks Holding Inc., down about 18% at one point, 21% at one point. Right now it has recovered a little bit. You can call it dead cat bounce. Okay, 16.6% right now. And if you go to 5 days, you guys can see how it dumped today. Okay, you guys can easily see right here. And if we check out the marks, this is the marks, and you guys can see what has been going on. Now it is selling off heavily. I think this company is relatively very new, more or less from September or so. But I mean, how can a company that starts in September, you know, already have a lot of negative, you know, press releases out there? Look at that investigation reminder. The Shah law firm announces it is investigating claims against Ginkgo. I mean, this one is from few hours ago. Look at how many firms out there, how many law firms out there are already after this company. If you click on any of these, for example, let's click on the first one and see what they have to say. The first one, for example, says the Sean Law Firm, a national blah blah blah, announced that it is investigating claims on behalf of investors of Ginkgo Holding. Investigation focuses on whether the company issued false or blah blah blah. Like always, you know, whether they, you know, violate lie to investors. Of course, the report alleges that the company is a colossal scam. Look at that. The report describes the company as a shell game, okay, whose revenues are highly dependent on related party transaction. Scorpion Capital alleges that the company is a Frankenstein mashup of the worst frauds of the last 20 years. Based on this news, Ginkgo shares fell as much as 20% in intraday trading on the same day. So this fund, this capital hedge fund, Scorpion Capital, this fund is one, you know, responsible for these two stocks selling off massively. I'm still going to be going to their Twitter page and sharing more information with you guys. Okay, all right guys, so this is the second stock is BLI. So if you go to Max, you can easily see that at one point in December, you know, I think this one started from last year as well, from July. This is when this company went public or whatever. And at one point they were trading at $103 US, you know, unlike other companies like, you know, Pac Bio that went as high as, you know, setting a new all-time high in February. This company has been selling off heavily since December 2020. Okay, you know, this is supposed to be a stock that at least till February should be going higher, but they have been selling off heavily because of look at that. If you go more down on their page, you can easily see that we have a lot of law firms also after them because they believe they are also a fraud or they have violated, you know, investors trust, something like that. So if you click on one of it, for example, anyone, just click on anyone and go down a little bit, you can see that let's go down a little bit. So the company's representation concerning the beacon's advanced technical features and capability allowed the company to raise nearly $205 million through July 2020 IPO, and since maintained a $2.3 billion valuation. The company claims concerning the beacon were brought into question after analyst Scorpion Capital, once again Scorpion Capital, published a scathing report entitled "Fleecing Customers and IPO Bag Holders with a $2 million Black Box That Is a Clunker." I mean, this is crazy, guys. Scorpion Capital seems to be going against ARK Invest in most of their investment. If this hedge fund finds anything, they are more or less a short seller, okay? If they find anything that is wrong with, any ARK Invest, I think they are just going after every stock in the ARK Invest ETF funds, okay? I mean, if they find anyone that looks squeamish, anyone that looks suspicious, they dip deeper. They are more or less coming out with something. So this is the second one that they are coming out, with a negative report on. And this stock, when they came out with that report, it sold off heavily, okay, heavily. Look at that, from 1 month, you can see from $36 right now, it is trading at $18. The market cap has dropped significantly to $1.2 billion. Now, a big shout out to CRISPR Talk. You guys can find this guy on YouTube. He went deeper, okay? He went deep with his analysis of what is going on. Go to his page. You can find more information about all this company I am talking about. You can see right here, when Berkeley Lights is sold off heavily, like always, today you are still going to get an email from ARK Invest that's where they are going to be telling their investors why the present DNA stock, the ticker DNA, is selling off heavily today. You will see. Just wait and see till the market closes. They are going to send an email, because whenever something drops more than 15%, I believe, just like here today, BTIG published a report at odds with Scorpion Capital's conclusions, publishing BLI up more than whatever. So what they are going to do is they are going to come up with whenever something drops more than 15%, I believe, they are going to send a report. So this is what they said about Berkeley Lights when it sold off. A life science tools company focused on the high throughput phenotypic analysis and of single cells fell roughly 19% on Wednesday in response to an anonymous short seller report. As explained on Twitter, we believe the report authors have little understanding of the molecular biology relevant to Berkeley Lights. Moreover, during recent conversations with Berkeley's customers, we and others have received feedback that contradicts the short report's contentions completely. ARK believes that Berkeley Lights technology has a broad and unique set of features vital to the rapidly growing fields of biologic, cell therapy, synthetic biology, and drug development. We intend to publish more insights about the Berkeley Lights technology and growth prospects in the weeks ahead. Okay, so of course they will come out again and tell you guys something, so you just have to be careful. Okay, now this is a tweet from, his name is Thomas Hawk. This person is retired lab rat and instructor. All posts are my opinion only. He made a retweet from Simon Barnett from September 17. You guys can see right here, DNA. This is when DNA went public, I believe. This is the IPO. This is Simon, okay, Simon Barnett, ARK Invest top analyst whenever it comes to genomic company industry. This guy is, I believe, one of their leading analysts, and you guys can see him right here among the group. I mean, this is something questionable. Okay, I mean, if a company wants to go public, I don't know why an analyst should be there to celebrate with them. I don't understand that. I think we should be saying, employees of management of DNA, the company, not an analyst behind them. This is really suspicious. In German, we say this is komisch. So Simon Barnett right there, and this company turns out, according to the report from short seller, that this company is fake. Okay, fake company. So if you guys go on Twitter, you guys can see you just have to go to this Thomas Hawk page, and then you go to Scorpion Capital on Twitter. You can see a lot of information about what is going on. Look at that from 21 hours ago. Updated performance of every short we have published on from the from last close prior to publication through 10/5/2021. Look at all this company right here. Okay, now If you go down a little bit, you can see what they said about Ginkgo Bioworks. Look at that, guys. A snake oil salesman and some hedge funds partner up to pimp the latest synthetic biology scam as phantom revenue, a hocus pocus business model, rampant related party games, and a decade of colossal failure gets shoved into yet another garbage SPAC. I mean, market cap 23 billion US dollars, guys. Absolutely crazy. What is going on, guys? We have a lot of, you guys can easily go to their page and you can find more information about that. So my job is just to bring it to your attention as my subscribers, bring it to your attention to let you know what is going on. I mean, do whatever you want to do with this information, with this video. My job is to provide you with the information. Yours is to, make decision based on it. Have a wonderful day, guys. I am your boy Dayo. This is Frunkla Investment. Ciao, ciao.